Hello, hello friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Happy New Year. I can't believe that it's already 2024. Well, when I'm recording this, it's not, but we're going to say it is. Anyways, I wish nothing but the best for everyone, and I hope you have a very crafty new year. I'm super excited for the new year, and I have lots of opportunities coming my way, and I don't know, I just feel really happy and really crafty. So today I have, I guess I should backtrack. If you didn't see, for the new year, for 2024, I decided that each month I'm going to have a theme, and then I'm going to shop my stash for that theme and make as many creations as I can using the theme. It might be a lot, it might just be a couple, but that way I at least have a goal in my crafting, and hopefully that'll help me cut back on like impulse buys and things like that. We'll see. I always have the goal of spending less. The last few years I have not achieved that goal, but I'm determined that one of these years I'm going to. Anyways, so my theme for January is Memory Decks cards. And so I'm going to share my first Memory Decks card with you today that I created for January. So I did use these Scrappy Boy Stamps folded window Memory Decks die. This is a super fun one, and I didn't do it on this one, but it would be fun to make a shaker Memory Decks. I think that would be kind of cool. I used the Scrappy Boy I Love the 80's paper pack, and I used the Scrappy Boy Cute Girls I Love the 80's because I can say 150% I do love the 80's. I miss my big poofy hair. I love the music. I miss everything about it. But anyways, and then I did go through my stash and I found this little, it was from Stamping Up originally, but by Sizzix, little piece Embosslits. So it cuts and embosses all at the same time. So I actually dug that out. Look at me shopping my stash. And here is my first little Memory Decks for 2024 and for my theme of Memory Decks. Has those two 80's girls on there. I love the 80's, that fun paper. And then you can flip it up, and on the inside I put some of the stamps that were like my favorites, like Gag Me with a Spoon, Gnarly, Totally Rad, Where's the Beef. I don't think it had it on there, but I was pretty big into the Valley Girl talk. So like totally, like, I mean, really, I mean, yeah. But anyways, that's a whole nother thing. But anyways, there is my first Memory Decks card for the new year, for January. And here's to an incredibly wonderful, crafty year. So that's all I have for you today. Oh, on the back I did just put some cardstock to give it some like stability. So go do something for yourself. Go get crafty. And until my next video, have a great day. Bye.